drone works in wind, in low light. The animals just don't notice the drone. Overall, I'm super happy. It's gonna be interesting to see if the Mini 3 just
stands up to the challenge.
We're wildin', we drinking cherry wine and we dancing on an island. We going back the finest. Yeah, young Mr. Killer and call me señorita. I papi got me dreaming. My legs up on the ceiling. Oh yeah. I know when he come, he ain't never gonna leave. No. Hit it the night run and that's the way I wanna be. So don't think I'm the one to won't ever be enough.
Hold on. I'm basically interested in two things about this drone. First and most important as a filmmaker, of course, the image quality. Did they manage to put a decent camera into a sub to 50 gram drone? And second, vertical shooting. I found myself cropping my videos into vertical formats for TikTok lately, and this drone can do that. As a content creator, you start thinking about being productive since you wake up. 24 hours a day, it can get really exhausting. I've been really appreciating products developing into making your life easier lately. We still lose a lot of time by editing, cropping and reformatting content, so it may sound stupid, but a drone camera just becoming vertical by pressing a button, yeah, does make my life easier. In order to have a productive life, whenever you get a message like this, you gotta answer fast. Do I know you? Stalker? Nah, just kidding. Sure bro, and let's do this. I recently moved to Andorra. It's like a small country in between Spain and France, 2 hours from Barcelona. And I met this young talented filmmaker, his name is Iker, and he's gonna be showing me today a little bit of, you know, a few mountains that are nice to fly the drone, and we're gonna have some fun.
Well, hello! I'm Iker, and today we're going to do a little hike to a very nice and good spot to take some epic shots with the Mini 3. And go! We're going to see what we can do with this little beast.
We've been walking for 4 hours.
Just kidding, just 10 minutes. We have the first rock right here, the first one. But the nice one is the second. We have to walk for
2 more days.
Are we lost? We're lost. I thought you were from Andorra. Yeah. Where did you bring me, man? This is not the regular path, but... Jesus Christ! Look at this! Man!
Yep. Well, short good stop. We've been walking for quite some time now. We have some nice views behind us. We're changing lenses.
What are we doing? Good. Sweating a lot, but good. We have to go now up here. So we made it, bro. We made it to the top.
quite windy, guys. I don't know if this is gonna... Look at the wind. I mean, look at my hair, right? It's gonna be interesting to see if the Mini 3 just sticks up to the challenge. I gotta say, we made it to the top. Look at this, and we were just flying the drone surrounding a couple of animals, and they just did not notice the drone at all, which means that the drone is quiet. I mean, look at this wind. My buddy is still flying. See? The drone works in wind, in low light. The animals just don't notice the drone, and I think overall I'm super happy. And now, of course, we cannot upload this stuff to TikTok yet because the drone is not out. I mean, when you see it, this video, then it will be already out, but it's easy to download to your phone. You just upload it directly to TikTok and just make, you know, the magic happen. We'll see now how easy it is to land in strong winds. Wind is really strong. I mean, look at this. You can probably hear it. Buena! Yes!
At this point, I want to answer a few of your questions that I've been receiving on my Instagram, and the first one is about this RC. This RC is probably the best out of this whole bundle. It's brighter than my iPhone. Of course, I don't need to use my phone, which is always good, and it uses OcuSync 3.0 for up to 12-kilometer range. Then there's this battery, you know, the regular one, which gives us up to 34 minutes, but there's also a Pro battery that increases that to 47 brutal minutes. Unfortunately, it's not available in Europe, and I don't really have it right here to show it to you. Finally, of course, for a much more detailed specs review of the Mini 3 Pro, I've uploaded a review to my regular WeTalk UAV channel. The link's, of course, in the description. And thanks again, guys, to all of you supporting me and my channels throughout purchasing, of course, my sunglasses. That really helps me so much, and it makes me so proud to be delivering products to you and that you are happy with them. Well, guys, to finish off this video, depending on how you react to this video, if you like it, if you comment, if you want more, if you like this more vlog style, you know, having more fun and testing the drone in harsh situations, let me know in the comments, and I'm planning to keep this channel alive. By the way, I've been filming a Lambo and a Ferrari this weekend, and I may upload that to this channel, so make sure to sub and leave a thumb. Now, nothing really else to say. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you hopefully in the next one.